Section 2.2, Example 4. Find all points on the graph of f of x equals 3x squared minus 5x plus 4 for which the tangent line passed through the point 1, -1. Now pay attention, we are not looking for the tangent line at the point. It's a tangent line passed through the point 1, -1. And this point is not on the graph because f of 1, when you plug in 1, does not equals -1. So you might want to draw the graph with our calculator to find out what's going on. This is a parabola, and the point at 1, -1 is right here. It's not on the graph, and we want to find the point, okay? The 2 points that the tangent line at these 2 points will pass through the point that we're interested in. So how to get this done? Well, we're dealing with a tangent line, so we need to find a slope first. Now you can use the original definition, and I'm not going to go over it again and again. If you use a formula for the slope, you find out the slope, okay, is 6x minus 5 at any point. We don't know the point yet. That's one piece of information, and that's all we got, okay, and a point 1, -1. So what other information do we need in order to find out those points, right? These 2 points that its tangent line will pass through 1, -1. Well, when we have a point, this point right here is on the graph. It's just x, y. What is y? Y is 3x squared minus 5x plus 4. And this point right here is 1, -1. If we have 2 points, we can calculate the slope. Okay, so the slope, if we're using the 2 points on the line, is difference in y, so 3x squared minus 5x plus 4, subtract -1 is the same as plus 1, over, okay, x minus 1, okay, difference in y divided by difference in x. So we have 2 ways to calculate the slope. One is a derivative, another way is using the 2 points. So those are the information we need in order to solve for x, because the slope has to equal. Now, once we have this equation, we will be able to solve for x and find the points that the question is asking for. So we simplify. We multiply x minus 1 on both sides. Okay, so on the left side, we have 3x squared minus 5x plus 5. On the right side, we have 6x minus 5 times x minus 1. Okay, we further simplify the right-hand side. Plus 5 equals 6x times x is 6x squared. Minus 5x minus 6x is negative 11x. Minus 5 times -1 is plus 5. Okay, so we have cancellation right here on both sides. We bring everything to the right side. Okay, so 0 equals 3x squared minus 6x. That's the equation. Then we just factor it. We factor 3x, common factor. What is left is x minus 2. So the 0 is x equals 0 and x equals 2. Now they are not the points yet. Whenever we are looking for points, it has to be in the format x, y. Okay? So the first x is 0, comma, plug in f of 0. Okay, so f of 0. And the second point is 2, comma, f of 2. So when you do plug in, we get 0, comma, 4. And then 2, comma, 6 as our answer.